Hi, my name is Sam, a spray product engineer at Spraying Systems Company. Today I'm going to demonstrate the disassembly and reassembly of a TankJet 78M tank cleaner. Disassembly is easy and can be completed in under a minute without any tools. Let's begin by placing the TJ78M on a flat table and then removing both of the body clips. Next, remove the inlet. Remove the stem pin. Then remove the stator, followed by the housing. Pull out the rotor retaining clip. Then remove the rotor and the stem bearing. Remove the housing gear and the first rotary housing bearing. Next, pull the dowel pin straight up to remove. Then pull out the nozzle hub along with the hubcap bearing, and the second rotary housing bearing. Slide the rotary housing up off the stem, and then finally, remove the main bearing to complete the disassembly. The TankJet 78M is now ready for reassembly using the spare parts kit. First, insert the main bearing over the stem, followed by the rotary housing. Insert the hubcap bearing onto the hubcap, and then insert both into the nozzle hub. Place the rotary housing bearing in the nozzle hub. Secure the hubcap to the rotary housing with a dowel pin, rotating the hubcap as needed to align the hole. Place the rotary housing bearing onto the rotary housing, followed by the housing gear. Make sure you check the engagement of the gears. Insert the stem bearing and rotor over the stem. Secure the rotor with the rotor retaining clip. Place the housing onto the housing gear and insert the stator. Rotate the stator to align the holes with the stem, and then insert the stem pin. Next, insert the inlet. And finally, secure the body clips onto the housing. Total maintenance time of the TankJet 78M is only a few minutes and is completed without any tools. Please refer to our maintenance instruction manual and our parts list for more details and part numbers. To learn more about the TankJet 78M or our entire TankJet product line, call 1-800-95-SPRAY or visit spray.com/tankjet.